My best friend's fiance just bought them a house.
Good for them.
Why can't you be more like him?
Because I'm me. Just trying to finish this project.
You've been trying for 3 years.
Do you believe in us?
I believe people should date someone who has already made it.
So that's how you see me.
I'm just being realistic.
I thought we were building a future together.
I can't keep waiting for one day.
Then what do you want?
Someone who can give me the life I deserve. You always say that.
Because I believe it.
Belief doesn't pay bills.
I've been saving for something important.
Please don't tell me you're talking about a proposal.
What if I am?
Then don't.
Then I guess we both have our answer.
Don't make this dramatic.
I'm not.
Where are you going?
To build my future, without someone who stopped believing in me. I'm building something that matters.
Building? Ryan, you rent a tiny apartment.
And drive a 12-year-old car. It won't always be like this. Are you saying I'm not enough?
You're a nice guy, Ryan. But nice isn't a future.
I didn't know you felt that way. Why?
Because I'm not marrying someone who's still chasing impossible dreams.
You really mean that?
Every word.
Your proposal is risky. Every successful company started with a risk. You really believe this can work? With everything I have? Most people quit after rejection. I've already lost someone I loved. And I'm not losing my future too.
You're really leaving?
You already left, you just hadn't packed your bags yet.
Don't twist my words.
I don't have to. Got room for one more late night? Always. Then let's finish this startup. No excuses this time.
That can't be right. It's everywhere online. I think I made a terrible mistake. Some mistakes don't come with a second chance. Have you heard? Heard what? Ryan's company just landed a huge investment. Ryan?
You okay? She said my dreams don't pay the bills. Then prove your dreams can build a life.
You'll regret walking away.
Maybe.
No one else will believe in those business ideas.
I only need one person to believe. Me. Congratulations. For what? We're funding your company. You're serious? Very. We did it! I almost gave up. Good thing you didn't listen to people who measured success by appearances.
I saw your new office.
It's just a workplace.
It's incredible.
Funny. 6 months ago, you said my dreams were worthless.
Can we at least have dinner?
Why?
To start over.
You don't restart a chapter after tearing the book apart.
Please answer one question.
Go ahead.
Is there someone else?
Why does that matter now?
People change.
Did you change, or did my bank account?
That's not fair.
Neither was what you said.
Ryan, it's been a while.
It has.
Can we talk?
About what?
I was under a lot of pressure.
Pressure didn't make you compare me to everyone else.
I know.
It was your choice.
Because if there isn't, maybe there's still hope.
Hope disappeared the day you stopped believing in me.
I understand.
I hope you do.
I owe you an apology.
For which part?
Everything.
That's a long conversation.
She waited outside for almost an hour.
I know.
How do you feel?
Sad, but not tempted.
If you won't answer my calls, I'll wait.
Waiting won't change the past.
Maybe it can change the future. Mom, you talked to Ryan?
Yes,
Why?
because someone needed to say the words you never did.
You could have been rude. That wouldn't help. You're a better man than most. I'm just protecting my peace. I truly hope you find happiness.
Just not with you?
Not with me.
Goodbye, Ryan.
Goodbye, Emma.
Ryan, one last chance.
For what?
To show I've changed.
Change isn't something you announce. It's something people notice over time.
I loved him.
Then why did you make him feel like he wasn't enough?
I don't know.
Figure that out before asking anyone to love you again.
She finally realizes what she lost.
Sometimes lessons come too late.
I wish she'd learned sooner.
Ryan, may I have a moment?
Of course.
I'm here to apologize for my daughter.
You don't owe me an apology. She's been here 3 times this week. I know. What are you going to do? Keep moving forward.
Mr. Carter, there's a woman asking to see you again.
Did she make an appointment?
No.
Please tell her I'm unavailable.
Large latte for Ryan?
That's me.
Looks like we ordered the same thing.
Then one of us has great taste.
I don't care what car you drive.
Really?
I care how you treat people.
That's the nicest thing anyone said to me in a long time.
Want to sit for a few minutes?
Sure,
No work talk.
that's a deal.
Mom,
Yes?
I kept chasing the perfect life.
And forgot the right person? What's something you've always wanted to do?
Travel through Europe. Really?
Me too. Maybe dreams aren't so
Unrealistic after all.
I'm Olivia.
Ryan,
You seem like you've had a long week.
more like a long year.
Dinner next Friday?
I'd like that.
No fancy restaurant.
Perfect. Just good conversation.
Do you think he'll ever forgive me?
Forgiveness and getting back together are 2 different things.
I know. Ryan looked happy. Was he alone? No. I understand.
You smiled today. Did I? First genuine smile I've seen in months. It felt nice. Your company just hit 1 million users. We actually did it. Remember when everyone called it impossible? I remember. No response? Some conversations end better with silence. Feeling okay? Better than okay.
And do you still believe that?
Not anymore.
Good. Because I don't.
Emma accepted a job in another state.
I hope it's a fresh start for her.
Thank you for being kinder than this situation deserves.
How's your new job going?
Busy, but exciting.
I'm glad.
I like celebrating progress, not comparing people.
Ready for our trip?
Backpack's already packed.
Any regrets?
Only that I didn't learn sooner that peace is worth more than proving someone wrong.
What's the biggest lesson you've learned?
The right person won't ask you to become someone else before they choose you.
I couldn't agree more. Where to first?
Anywhere.
Why anywhere?
Because when you're with someone who believes in you, every destination feels like home.
Then let's go build that future together.
Together.